Hey guys, welcome to Game and VFX, a channel where we talk about art and game development. So without wasting time, let's roll the intro. So this time it's not going to be a development video. Rather, I'm going to talk about a problem that I have faced in my development. And if you're using Blender and Unity for your game and facing the same issue, I'll show you how you can fix it together. And stay till the end of the video because in the end I'll give you a free Blender add-on that will make your game development easy. So, what is the problem? Say you made a model in Blender. A very good model, looks like a charm. Oh, sorry guys, wrong file. Yeah, let's open the right one. Yeah, a very good model, and you are ready to put it on Unity. So we open Unity and export the file from Blender. Now let's import and place it on the scene, and you will see this weird thing going on. The scale is 100 for all axes. Rotation is not correct, and if I change the rotation to 0, 0, 0, the model direction became wrong. You can compare it to a cube where we can see the axes are pointing on different direction for each model if we set the rotation to 0, 0, 0. Now for a second you might say it's not a big issue. I can rotate my object in the scene, I can go with the base scale value of 100, but it is going to be a problem in long run. See, you have a large scene with multiple objects and all of your objects have a base scale value of 100. You want to change some object scale value, you will get confused. Say if you want to use vector3.forward to move an object, you will see they will be moving into different directions like this. Now let's multiply this vector3.forward value with a very small value so we can see it better. And as you can see, these two models going into separate direction, which could cause a big problem if you are using vector3.forward. Now how we can fix it? Let's hop into Blender. Now we have to select the object. After that, apply transformation. Then we have to rotate the object with minus 90 degree on x-axis. Then apply rotation and rotate it back 90 degree on x-axis. But this time don't apply rotation. Now we have to export the model. Let's hit the export button and we have to change some settings here. First, change the apply scale value to FBX unit scale and check the selected object. Then you can export it wherever you want. Now finally our object is exported. Now let's see if the issue is actually fixed or not. Now we imported our new model into Unity and drag it to the scene. And you will see the position and rotation values are correct now, as well as the directions are correct. Now if we add the move script that is using vector3.forward to move an object, you will see the new model and the cube is going into correct direction, while our old object is going to the wrong direction. So that's how we fix the issue with Blender Unity workflow. Now I have created a very small add-on that will do the same with one click. So it basically applies the transformation, rotate the model to minus 90 degree, apply the rotation and rotate it back to 90 degree with one click. It's called Game Helper. Exactly as it sounds, it helps you to make game development easier. And you know what we can do with one click? Hit the subscribe button. One click. You can download the add-on from the link in the description. Then you have to install the add-on. Once you have installed it, you have to activate the add-on by clicking here. And once it is activated, press N to see the add-on. And as you can see, the Game Helper is added here. Now click on the Game Helper and you can see this fix rotation button. Now by clicking on this fix rotation button, you can fix any object rotation with one click. As you can see, the rotation value is set to 0 for all axes. Now we come to the add-on and click on the fix rotation button. After that, you can see the rotation value of x-axis is set to 90 degree. So it first set the x rotation value to minus 90 degree, then apply the rotation and set it back to 90 degree on x-axis with one click. So as we go through our development, I'll be adding more feature to the add-on. I'm not an add-on expert here, I'm just making this add-on because it's gonna make my game development easy, so I don't have to repeat 4 and 5 steps every time. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider subscribing because it's gonna help me to make more videos. And with that saying, I am Shoptik, you are watching Game and VFX. See you in the next time.